ओम महागणपतये नमः। ओम नारायणाय नमः। अद्य सप्तदशः श्लोकः ध्यानश्लोकः विष्णुसहस्रनाम। We shall see the 17th shloka, ध्यान shloka of Vishnu Sahasranamam. यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादि युगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये. Word by word meaning. Yatah sarvani. Yatah visargah. The sa goes away. Yatah sarvani. Yatah means since or because. Since, you can take in the contextual exact meaning, since. Sarvani, all Sarvani is Sarvam means Sarvani Tatite Tani. It is a neuter gender. That's what you get, Sarvani. All things is the Artha, technical. All beings or all things. If it is in neuter, it should be all things. And here you see Na. If you are seeing Sanskritam, you will see Na. In Tamil also, I think you will have Na and Na. The hard Na is there because there are grammar rules. Panini's rules are there where to put the Na and where to put the Na. Hard Na and the Mrudu, soft Na. Therefore, we got what is known as Nattuam. Nattuam where to put, we have got Kavargaha, Pavargaha, or Yara, Lava, those things, Repakaha, Rikaraha, if those things come, you have to put the hard Na in between words. That's a long grammar there. But, and the other, wherever the other places, you can put the Na. Ramena, Darshanam, Darshanena, like that. So, Avadanena is, you will have that Murduna, where these are not there, like Kavarga, Pavargaha, Yara, Lava, Sha, Sa, like that. Now, Sarvani, you are seeing there, Na. So, all things, and Bhutani, Bhutani means beings, and plural, Bhutaha is plural, singular, Bhutani is neuter gender, plural. Tatute Tani. So bhutam te bhute bhutani. Bhavanti. Bhavanti means it is there. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. That is what I will tell you the meaning in grammar in Panine. So bhavanti means being, and Adi. Adi means original, beginning of the universe. Adi Yuga. In Tamil we say Adi Kalam. In Sanskritam you can say Adi Yuga. Period. Like you have yugas, no? Treta Yuga இருக்கு, Satya Yuga இருக்கு, then Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga, all those periods. So Adi Yuga. Agame. So when it had come, Agame, I will tell you the Panini's grammar of how this formation comes. When it had come, when it was coming or when it had come, Yasmin, cha, Yasmin, in whom, in whom, it's a seventh vibhakti, in whom, Pralayam. Pralayam means, destruction, volcanoes bursting, seas coming into land and grabbing and swallowing the land, and skies burning or whatever it is. That's a pralayam. It's a simple word. Tamil also pralayam. Yanti, going. Yati, singular. Yanti, going. Punareva, punaha, again. Iva, just like. Yuga, period. Chaye, in destruction. Chayaha, chaye. Now I will give you the Panini's grammar and then the sentence meaning. So Yatah Sarvani in Visarga, the Sa will go away. Yataha, since. Or Yataha normally means because. And the Karanatinal, Yataha here means since. Sarvani Bhutani. All the things and all the beings and all the vastus or all the things and Bhutani, Bhavanti being, Agame, when they had come in the Adi Yuga, in the original Yuga, when they had come, all these are being and all things, the beings, the movables, the immovables, the neuter gender, the feminine gender, and the masculine genders of all beings. Yasmin, Panini's Yasmin here means Yaha. Yaha is the Yad is the Shabda. Yaha Yauye is from Yaha is masculine, Ya is feminine, and I have already told you Yad is feminine, neuter. Now Yasmin is in whom. यह यौ ये यम यौ यान येन याभ्याम यैहि यस्मै याभ्याम येभ्यः यस्माति याभ्याम येभ्यः यस्य ययोः येषां यस्मिन् ययोः yeshu. Yes mean in whom, on whom. Or if it is plural, amongst whom, all people, amongst. Yasmin yayoho yeshu, it will come. But yasmin means in whom, whom, in whom, cha, the visarga will come here, is cha, the visarga, and cha and pralayam. Pralayam is pralayam, destruction, the complete dissolution of the universe. Yanti is going, punaha, again, Eva. Eva is just like, see, punaha plus Eva will become punareva. First of all, punaha plus Eva, when you combine it, the ra will come and the visarga will go. But here if you say punaha is in plus a small and then you, the ending, and then you have the starting Eva, that is, the starting is E. So a plus E becomes A. And the visarga goes and ra comes. So punareva, just like again, Yuga, the period, the column, Kshaye, in destruction. Kshaye is Kshayaha, Ramaha is a Kshayaha, is a masculine, means decay, is a technical meaning, destruction. In destruction, Kshaye, Rame, Saptami Vibhakti, seventh conjugation. So, in, on whom I told you. So, Kshaye is the formation there. So, now let us see the meaning. So Bhishma is continuing, Yataha, since all the Sarvani Bhutani Bhavanti being present, and which had come from Adi Yuga Agame. Agame, see, gam is the dhatuhu. So gam means to go. So aham gacchami, aham agacchami. Agacchami means I am coming. Aham gacchami means I am going. Aham avagacchami is another word, means I am knowing. So gamanam is to go. Gamanam is to go. Gantva, after going. Like that we will have a lot of modalities of the dhatuhu gam by using different pratyaya. So agame, coming, in the coming of all this Adi Yuga, in the Adi Yuga and being present, all these things which you are present, bhavanti. Bhavanti is bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. That's all. Prathama Purusha, third person, ekavachanam, dvivachanam bhavataha, bahuvachanam, plural is bhavanti, which are present, becoming. It becomes, bhavati, it becomes. Must be very careful in grammar in Sanskritam, because bhavati is mahila, a respectful way of addressing a lady, bhavati. So, bhavanti, present, adi, yuga, agame, all these things which had come from the, which are there being from the adi yuga, from the original birth of the universe, and in whom, yasmin, in whom, and cha, pralayam also goes, pralayam yanti, all the pralayam, again, see, it has come agame, then punaha iva yanti goes, in whom, he has to be worshipped, that's what Bhishma says, in whom. How does the punaha iva happens? It's a destruction. When the yuga destructions, when the kalam, in the destruction of the kalam is the artha for yuga kshaye. Yuga plus kshaye. In the destruction of the kalam of the period, punaha eva, again, eva, just like how it came agame, this also goes yanti, pralayam. So, in what Bhishma says is, all the sarvani bhutani which are now you are seeing, which had come from the Adi Yuga, and in destruction of this time period, again, punaha, even again, it is going only to, when there is a pralayam, there is an yuga kshaye. Pralayam is destruction. When there is a pralayam, and in the destruction of this kala, again, just like it has come agame, yanti, it is going to in whom who has brought all the beings from the starting, in whom to all the beings after the pralayam gets distracted, in whom it is going. So, yasmin means on whom it is going. On whom. Seventh vibhakti is in, on, or amongst. So, all the destruction, just like Eva, when they were coming in the Adi Yuga Kala, and in the destruction Kala, again, just like it has come in the Agiyame, these are all going. Destruction Kala happens when there is a pralayam. So, he is the originator of everything. He is Mahavishnu, from whom, yataha, since all the things are coming from this person, and therefore all the things are going back to the same person. He is the person who has created all the things which are there, which bhavanti, which are in existence, which are becoming from the Adi Yuga Kala, and when the pralayam occurs, In the destruction of this Kala, again it goes to the same, in whom everything came, Agame. In whom all the Sarvani Bhutani Agame, it goes back, on whom everything goes back. So that is the Artha. That is, Bhishma says Mahavishnu is everything. He only creates, and at the end of the period he takes back. Okay, my dear friends, Bhuyat Tavat Shubhamangalam Dirghashman Bhava Dirgha Sumangali Bhava Sarvavyadi Nivarana Praptirastu Sarva Aishwaryam Abhivriddhir Bhavatu Sarva Mangalani Bhavantu Tadhastu Tadhastu Tadhastu.